Heavy industry loses $2 million every month because of this problem. Nexxa.AI operates in manufacturing, energy, rails, or aerospace. These industries run legacy systems. System built 20 years ago and nobody wants to touch. ERP, PLM, MES software that costs millions to replace. The problem? These systems don't talk to each other. Engineers waste 60% of their time jumping between screens, copying data, and fixing errors manually. Traditional automations fails because these workflows need human decisions. That's where Nexxa came in. They built AI agents that watches your engineering work, learn the process, and automate the entire workflow without replacing your system. The AI understands what's in the screen, make decisions like engineers, and works 24/7. $2 million lost becomes $2 million saves. But here is the challenge. Building and testing AI systems like this requires specialized hardware, firmware expertise, and rapid prototyping. That's where exactly Silicon Valley Startup Garage steps in. We handle the technical execution, hardware debugging, embedded systems, computer vision testing, fast turnaround, no full-time hires. First project, 50% off. Link in description.